Hello, my sweet little friends. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Ease. Today, we will learn phonic sound of E. We will learn two sounds of E. E, E. E, E. E, E, elephant. E, eagle. So, let's start with E, E, elephant. Elephant. E, elk. Elk. Now learn some more words of sound E. E, earth. Earth. E, earth. E, eggplant. Eggplant. E, eggplant. E, edge. Edge. E, edge. Edge. E, envelope. Envelope. Please put this paper in the envelope. Very good. Now it's your turn. Guess what's in picture? Who am I? Who am I? Guess who am I? Yes, egg. I am egg. Sunday or Monday, eat egg daily. See what this man is doing. Yes, what he is doing? Exercise. Exercise. Do exercise daily. Now tell me, what is this? I know you are learning numbers. What is this? Yes, 18. 18. Now tell me, where have you seen it? I know. Wonderful. Malls, airport. Yes, escalator. Escalator. Good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Now let's learn sound blend of alphabet E. E, E. Now see, what's this? A. A. What is the sound of E? E. And what is the sound of A? E. Now join these two sounds. E. 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 Earthen pot. Earthen pot. E. E. Earthen pot. E. E. Early. Early. Early in the morning. Now see, what's this? L. L. What is the sound of E? And what is the sound of L? L. Now join these two sounds. L. L. Elbow. Elbow. L. Elder. L. Elder. Meet my elder brother. Now see, what's this? M. M. What is the sound of E? And what is the sound of M? Ma. Now join these two sounds. Ma. Ma. Empty. Ma. Empty. Empty. Now see, what's this? N. N. What is the sound of E? And what is the sound of N? Na. Now join these two sounds. Na. Na. Enter. Enter. I'm back, Mama. Please open the door. Enter. Now see what's this? X. X. What is the sound of E? Eh. And what is the sound of X? X. Eh. X. Exit. 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 Excellent. Excellent. Hooray. You have done it. We have learned sound of E, eh. Now move on to E, E. E, E, eagle. E, E, L, L. Now read some more words. E, ear, ear. E, earring, earring. E, earring. E, engine. E, engine. E, eraser, eraser. E, evening, evening. Read aloud with me. Some more words. E, east, east direction. Sun rises from the east. E, eat. I am hungry. Ah, eat. E, eat. E, earthworm, earthworm. E, 11, 11. E, Easter. Very good, wonderful. Give me a high five. Soon I will be back with my new video. New video on phonic sound of F. Before leaving, subscribe, like, and share my channel. Now, goodbye.